Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get new heads on Roblox. Uh, Guys, first of all, you have to go to in marketplace. Now you have to scroll down and go to shops and choose recently created. Now you have to go to in category and choose heads. Now choose heads from head. Now we'll get it all the new heads here. First head is Canon head. So just click on buy and click on get now to get it. So now you can go back and now you can get a new heads and which one is this a funny meme head. It's called funny meme head. I've already owned this and it is only free for a few minutes. Just get it as soon as possible. And the new and there's also one head guys head which is also gives you the Dominus big look. Just get this also ad as soon as possible because it may be go on sale with few robux. So just get it as soon as possible. I already on this. So now you have to go to in I have to go to in cart. Now to go ahead and body and now go to start. Now guys you can try these heads. Just click on it. Let me remove the hairs so it will give us a nice look. Uh, Now let me go back to the styles. Now let's see how it looks. Let me try this here as well. So that's how it looks. Let me change the color of the skin to give us a better look. Now you can see this is how it looks, and yeah, it gives you a big dominus look. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.